Hi guys, I'm Kristen and welcome to Studio Knit. I am so excited to announce that I've been selected to be your knitting host of the Bernat Stitch Along with Joanne. So I've been wanting to create longer, larger projects with you and something we can work together as a community. So this project is perfect for all of us. I want to give a big thank you to Joanne for partnering with me on this project and sponsoring the announcement in this video. So let me tell you how it works. It is over the course of 6 weeks, and we start knitting it up 4 weeks from the posting of this video. I am going to be announcing a new mystery clue each week. So week 1, you will find it over on the Bernat Stitch Along Facebook page. I have links to everything you need to know in the description below and where to go. And from there, we are going to be creating a beautiful Afghan over the course of 6 weeks. We also have some bonus projects. So weeks 1, 2, and 3, there's a really comfy pillow. And then weeks 4 through 6, there's also a basket. Those are totally optional. Of course, you can pick and choose which projects you'd like to do, but they have been designed that you can complete them all over the course of these 6 weeks. Each of these 6 weeks is designed to strategically knit up all 3 projects. For our blanket Afghan, every week we're going to have a new pattern, a new design, new color combination, and new knitting techniques. For the pillow, we're going to be doing it in 3 different stages, and the basket as well. These projects are all perfect for us here on Studio Knit because I know you're going to love the yarn. It's really comfy and fun to knit with. It's also on the larger side with larger needles, meaning it will knit up faster. I know you're going to love that. It also is affordable, especially when you're knitting something like a blanket. That is a big commitment of your time and your resources, and having an affordable option for your yarn I feel is really important for us, and it's all really easy to find. All of these yarns are available at joann.com and your local Joann stores. All of you who have completed my Absolute Beginner Knitting series, you are ready. These patterns are perfect for you. And for those of you who are a little bit more advanced, I know you're going to love it too. There's some really cool designs that will keep you interested and teach you a few new things as well. So what's in a clue? Each week, the clue that I am giving you is a written pattern by Joanne, where they are clearly writing out everything you need to know: materials, tools, techniques, row by row instructions. And then my videos, I'll show you what my finished piece looks like, as well as up close video of my knitting tips, tricks, techniques that I discovered along the way to help you fully understand that written pattern. To participate, simply like the Bernat Stitch Along page over on Facebook. This is the place where we're all working together as a community. And this is where the weekly clues will be delivered to you with a link to that pattern. Of course, in the comment section, we would all love to hear how things are going for you. So make sure to say hi, share your progress, and that's a place where you can add your photos for everyone to see as well. To make sure that you don't miss any of the fun, I suggest on Facebook to see all in your news feed with notifications on all posts. Oh, and when you are posting on social media, make sure to do #handmadewithjoann. That is the way that we can all find your projects on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and it's going to be really cool to see how everybody's projects knit up. Then pick up all of the yummy yarn I'm about to share with you here, and you are going to want to get your friends involved. So share this video to get your knitting friends involved, and there is also a crochet stitch along happening simultaneously along with me, and that is hosted by Mikey of the Crochet Crowd. So all of your crochet friends and family can get involved in the fun as well. So let's check out all of the materials that you'll need to get started. We're starting with Bernat Blanket for our Afghan. Now, yes, you probably have used Bernat Blanket before, but they've just released these beautiful new shades. Of course, you can select any colors you'd like. You'll need 5 color choices, and let me show you how the yarn breaks out for what I've selected and how I'll be knitting my blanket at. We're using 2 balls in our main color, and I've chosen Country Blue, and then 2 balls in the contrasting color A. Mine will be dark gray. And for my colors B, C, and D, I have selected the new shades available exclusively at Joann, and that is Aubergine, Dark Teal, and Smoky Green. The knitting needles for our blanket are circular needles, size 11, and you'll want 36 inches in length or longer. We're going to be using 3 total to complete our blanket. Now, weeks 1 through 5, you only need 1 needle. And in week 6 is when we need all 3. So you can either get all 3 needles right now, or you can wait until week 6 and get those extra 2 knitting needles at that time. The Stitch Along pillow is knitted up in this new product. It is so cozy and fun to touch. It is Bernat Velvet. It's a bulky weight yarn, and I am going to use this really pretty color called Indigo Velvet, and this is also a shade that is available exclusively at Joann. For the pillow, you'll want to get 2 balls of the Bernat Velvet yarn, and mine here is called Indigo Velvet. Then 1 circular needle, size 7 US, that is 24 inches in length or longer, as well as a pillow form that is 20 inches square. The Stitch Along basket, it is using another new product. It is the Bernat Blanket Extra. And so this is a jumbo yarn. That means that we are also using bigger needles, and this is going to knit up into a really sturdy, cool basket, perfect for your home decor, and maybe a place to store some yarn if you're looking for more yarn storage. I'm sure you are. For our basket, we're using Bernat Blanket Extra, and the color I've chosen here is called Velvet Teal, and this is another shade that is available exclusively at Joann. You want 4 double pointed knitting needles that are size 10.5 US, as well as 2 different sets of circular needles. Those are also 10.5, but there's different lengths. There's a 16-inch length. You'll also want to have 36 inches on hand as well. You'll want to make sure that you also have scissors, some stitch markers, and a little tapestry needle on hand. The textures of all of these cozy Bernat yarns, they have been designed to work together, adding a beautiful depth to your home decor. And the colors, they also are totally complementary with each other, creating a beautiful look to your home. I'm so excited for all of you studio knitters to join me. This is a huge honor for me to be selected as the Bernat Stitch Along knitting host. So do me a favor, head on over to that Facebook page right now. Make sure to join. And in the announcement video that you'll see on that page, make sure to jump into the comments, say hi Kristen. Let everybody know that you're a studio knitter and that this is your first Stitch Along and you're really excited to join us all on week 1. That is 4 weeks from the posting of today's video. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye.